This one got hit in this right front corner and destroyed the structure right here. I have a Acura MDX here. This one got hit in this right front corner and destroyed the structure right here. I'm going to be replacing this upper part of the tie bar here, this whole upper rail, as well as this inside part of this lower apron piece right here. So I'm going to start by making a couple pulls and roughly pulling out all this damage, and then I will go ahead and start cutting it apart. I got all this structure fit up. Everything's looking nice. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna lift this outer upper rail back off. And I'm gonna go ahead and get these two pieces welded on. I have to take that off in order to get some of the welds, and then I will put that upper rail back on and get it welded on as well. and then I will get it out of clamps and get over to our paint department to get all of this painted, and then they could also paint the outer panels as well. This sprays in a 360-degree pattern. I'm going to hose it inside of here, and this will coat all the bare metal and seep in between all the seams to keep it from rusting.